Who owns the moon? It's a question that has intrigued humanity for decades. To understand lunar ownership, we must delve into space law and treaties. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty is a cornerstone in space law. This treaty states that no nation can claim sovereignty over the moon. But what about private companies or individuals? The Moon Agreement of 1984 attempted to address this. It proposed that the moon and its resources are the common heritage of mankind. However, this agreement has not been widely accepted. In 1969, the Apollo 11 mission planted the American flag on the moon. But this act did not signify ownership. Today, space law continues to evolve. Experts debate the future of lunar ownership. The most accepted stance is that the moon belongs to all of humanity. So while no one owns the moon, it remains a symbol of our collective curiosity and ambition.